Is your HP printer just stopped working on your Mac and you don't know how to fix it? Don't worry. This is actually a pretty common issue, and the fix is usually super simple. Most of the time, it's just your device that needs a quick restart, or maybe your Mac's printing system needs a fresh reset. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through 3 easy methods that'll get your HP printer working again on your Mac. Or if you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Restart your printer and Mac. First, press the power button to turn off your printer. If the printer doesn't turn off right away, don't worry. Just unplug the power cord from the back of the printer and then disconnect it from the wall outlet as well. Once that's done, wait for 60 seconds. This gives your printer time to fully power down and reset. And while you're waiting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss our helpful tips and tutorials. Now, plug the power cord back into the wall outlet first and then reconnect it to your printer. Next, press the power button to turn your printer back on. Give it a moment to fully reboot. Once your printer is up and running, go over to your Mac and click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Restart and allow your Mac to reboot completely. Now, if restarting your device didn't do the trick, no problem. We've got another method to try. Let's reset the printing system and see if that fixes it. Method 2. Reset the Mac's printing system. On your Mac, click on the Spotlight search icon. That's the little magnifying glass in the top right. Type Printers and Scanners and open it. Next, control-click on your printer. That's the right click if you'd prefer, and select Reset Printing System from the menu that appears. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to do this. Go ahead and click Reset to proceed. Once that's done, turn your printer completely off. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Now, go back to your Printers and Scanners window on your Mac and click on Add a Printer. Find your HP printer in the list that shows up and click Add. Wait a few moments while your printer goes through its setup process. Once it's done and it shows connected, you should be ready to print again. If the first and second method didn't fix your issue, don't worry. We've got one more solution coming up that should do the trick. Let's move on to the last method and get your printer working for good. Method 3. Set printer as default. First, go to the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and click on System Settings. Once System Settings opens, scroll down to the left panel until you find and select the Printers and Scanners option. After that, look for the default printer drop-down menu. Click on it and select your printer's name from the list that appears. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.